Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. So Bitcoin tops 37,000, setting records hours after roaring past 36,000. And guys, this is exactly what's happening in the space right now. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, it actually roared past 38,000 just recently. So just now, we are seeing a new high for Bitcoin. Let me put it on auto to show you guys. This is Bitcoin on the hourly. We have just reached a new milestone. But the point this is trying to make is it's the year for Bitcoin. Okay, 2020, 2021, the crypto market is bullish, and this is going to bring a lot of issues that have historically been unclear under the microscope and come into focus. I think the incredible ride that has been the price of Bitcoin this year hit back-to-back milestones Wednesday as the leading cryptocurrency blasted past 36,000 for the first time ever. Then a little over 3 hours later, briefly crossed 37,000, and now we're seeing it at 38,000. So the price of Bitcoin soared to a new all-time high. It continues a wild start to 2021 and follows a landmark year in which the cryptocurrency rose more than 300% with an almost 50% gain in December alone. It's giving us some values here in 2021. It's up over 25%, more than $7,000, which is continuing to grow even faster. The prevailing narrative of this record-setting run is a growing view that Bitcoin represents a form of digital gold, a view that has brought a flood of institutional investors into cryptocurrency. Today's record, however, may have more to do with the storming of the U.S. Capitol by President Donald Trump supporters believing the election was rigged and upset by the certification process that was underway than with any inflation hedge. Global macro uncertainty has the potential to devalue fiat currencies, which in turn could potentially increase the attractiveness of Bitcoin. A disputed election followed by protesters breaking into the Capitol, with at least one person being shot, would seem to fall under the category of uncertainty. With a market value now of $683.1 billion, Bitcoin is more valuable than all 8 publicly traded companies, sitting between Tencent at $692.7 billion and Alibaba at $589.4 billion. The market supply of dollar-pegged stablecoins is keeping pace with Bitcoin's meteoric rise. Since New Year's Eve, the supply of Tether has grown by over 10%, reaching $22.1 billion USDT at last check. Total supply of the runner-up stablecoin Circle's USDC has also grown by double-digit percentages so far in January, currently sitting at $4.3 billion USDC, according to Glassnode. So Bitcoin rallying, of course, uncertainty is going to fuel that, is going to propel that. We have seen that historically with Bitcoin price. Run on the banks in Cyprus really gave Bitcoin some legs back in 2013. Now Bitcoin soaring past 38,000. Right now it's down a little bit, about 37.8. But the narrative remains consistent. When there's uncertainty, when there's chaos, when there's turmoil, investors tend to flock to safe havens, and now they're turning to Bitcoin. It has become more widely accepted in institutional circles, institutional investment circles. So we are seeing money clearly flood into Bitcoin. And another milestone has been hit, guys. The cryptocurrency market is now worth more than $1 trillion. So if you guys can see it up here, market cap $1,6,761,474,689. And Bitcoin dominance is down around 69.5%, but that number has held relatively steady considering Bitcoin and other altcoins are rallying roughly at the same rate, give or take. So the total market cap, or the combined price of all cryptocurrencies currently in circulation, has just broken above $1 trillion. CoinGecko's data showed today. While it's hard to say whether those are all cryptocurrencies in existence, this is another major milestone for the 6,124 digital assets that the platform tracks. 6,124 cryptocurrencies, that is just CoinGecko's platform. Over here on CoinMarketCap, you guys can see that there is 8,200 cryptocurrencies exactly tracked here on CoinMarketCap. So there are many other cryptocurrencies in the space. Behind the milestone, once again, lurks the financial crisis, which caused money to flow into the safe haven of gold, but also out of gold and into its digital equivalent, Bitcoin, with BTC gains now starting to spill into altcoins. We're likely to see greater diversity and a more even spread among large cap assets. And as I've said before, it is also likely that Bitcoin will capture at least 10% of gold's market. This coming from Antony Trenchev, managing partner of crypto lending service Nexo, and that's what he told Decrypt. Unsurprisingly, Bitcoin is the absolute leader in terms of its 674 billion market cap, sucking up 2/3 of the market. Ethereum is ranked second with a market cap of 135 billion. Notably, these are the only two cryptos, at least so far, that are ranked among the 100 biggest assets in the world. Speaking to Decrypt, Jeff Morphy, president of Canadian publicly listed Bitcoin mining operation Bitfarms, argued that $1 trillion is still only the beginning, since people will continue to look for ways to preserve or increase the value of their assets, and I couldn't agree more. This is just the beginning. Guys, we are going to see this market continue to rally. There is more to this article. I will link it down in the description if you guys want to read further. This just to kind of show you guys where we're going. You know, we've been talking about the crypto rally for several years now. We knew it was coming. A lot of us are feeling very, very happy right now, especially since that lawsuit that XRP is seeing some gains as well. Of course, we didn't know if that was going to be the case or not. Since yesterday, XRP has risen over 50%, right now trading at about 0.342. So a little correction there. XRP catching up to the rest of the market. And you've heard what Brad Garlinghouse has said in the past, right? The coins that have utility, the coins that will solve problems, will be the ones that thrive. And just to that point, I wanted to bring you guys a few articles here with regards to Ripple partners. So these are confirmed Ripple partners. This from the Cryptic Poet: Ripple partner Access Bank, Hyundai partner to offer smart financial solutions digitally. So Axis Bank on Wednesday announced its partnership with Hyundai Motors India Limited to offer the auto retail financing solutions to its customers through the car maker's end-to-end online automotive retail platform Click to Buy. The partnership will allow customers to view, process, and avail auto loans sanctioned directly on Hyundai's CTB platform, the company's statement said. The solution provides customers with the convenience of acquiring requisite funding for their desired Hyundai car through a one-stop shop platform catering to all their vehicle purchase needs, the state team added. So partnership there, as we know, Ripple-powered instant payment service now live with Axis Bank, and Axis Bank obviously part of this partnership. So good news for Ripple and for XRP. As we know, the more partnerships a company like Ripple has, this just adds to the growing ecosystem, the XRP ecosystem that they want to continue to foster, that they have been continuing to foster through all these years. This is what's going to give XRP value, and this is just another company forging ahead despite this SEC lawsuit. We're going on here with another one from the Cryptic Poet. Ripple partner Volante Technologies hires strategic sales partnership and marketing leaders to accelerate global payments as a service expansion. So Volante Technologies, the global leader in cloud payments and financial messaging, today announced an expansion of its go-to-market team with strategic senior hires across sales, partnership, and marketing. This expansion follows Volante's recent raise of $35 million in growth capital from a consortium of investors led by Wavecrest Growth Partners, including BNY Mellon, Citi, Post Italian, and Visa Inc. Volante has seen strong adoption of its cloud-native payment solutions by institutions like Goldman Sachs, Banorte, and First American Trust over the course of 2020. To ensure this growth continues into 2021 and beyond, Volante is now bringing on board seasoned executives Jeff Auden and Randy Rodriguez to lead global and North America sales, respectively, Jim Chow to drive partnership and ecosystem relationships, and Rachel Hunt to spearhead growth marketing. And again, Volante, a Ripple partner, as you guys can see here. Volpay cross-border payments can connect with Ripple. Whoops, showed you that already. Volante Technologies launches accelerator for bank integration to Ripple's distributed financial technology. Just showing you guys some of the connections. If you're new to the space, might not realize that a lot of these companies around the world are already partnered with Ripple. And again, this is what's going to foster the ecosystem, giving XRP utility. Finally, this, another one from the Cryptic Poet. He was on fire today. Ripple partner Finastra signs Bank of Prairie du Sac. So Finaster today announced that Bank of Prairie du Sac, a community bank outside of Madison, Wisconsin, will upgrade its core operating system to Fusion Phoenix to future-proof its technology. The open modern core built on Microsoft technology, cloud delivery, and seamless integration with other technologies provided by Finastra will improve the end customer experience and support the bank's growth strategy with technology that can evolve with its changing needs. And here's a quote: "Our customers are our most important asset, and it is vital that our technology investment yields meaningful meaningful benefits for them. This coming from Brett Kerner, CIO of Bank of the Prairie du Sac. Based on our long relationship with Finaster, we trusted that their vision for open finance would translate to a core which could grow and evolve with the latest technology innovations to satisfy our customers and serve our goals for continued growth. Cloud hosting means easy scalability and less time spent on technology maintenance, increasing our capacity to serve our customers. Seamless integration with the other Finaster solutions used by the bank, including Fusion Digital Banking, Fusion Laser Pro, and others, will not only generate increased efficiencies, but also provide peace of mind that the core migration will be smooth. So this, another Ripple partner, integrating to improve their technology, just going to show you that, the companies that use Ripple will have that leading edge. If they can leverage the XRP ecosystem, once we get that clarity, these guys will be on their road to basically dominate the competition, dominate their competition who isn't using RippleNet. This is what will cause a domino effect for more companies to jump on the RippleNet network, and this is how added value will be derived from a token like XRP. Just an example there to set up what I'm going to tell you guys with regards to this crypto market. So we have a $1 billion crypto market. Bitcoin is going bonkers. Okay, these numbers don't lie. Bitcoin trading right now at 38, just above 38,000. Now it just slipped back down to 37.9. XRP at about just shy of 34 cents. Ethereum still chugging away, just over $1,200 per coin. And I saw this tweet and I had to address it because I thought it was so perfect to what could happen in this bull run, guys. And right now, we're looking at these cryptocurrencies and everybody's getting excited because, everything's basically up, okay? Look at everything's in the green. This is what happens during cryptocurrency bull runs. Everybody gets excited. Everybody's trying to shill each other their favorite coin. Oh, you should buy this or that or the other, and that's fine. Everybody's getting really excited. Everybody's making money. I get it. But at the end of the day, only the most robust coins, the coins with utility, the coins that solve a problem, the coins that matter, not the, let's scroll down here, let's go to page, let's keep going. Okay, down here, global digital content number 492 on the list, trading at 0.004715. It's up 4%, up 50.4% on the 7-day. But these are the kinds of coins, and I'm just picking something at random here. I mean, this coin might actually have some utility that I don't know about, but I'm just trying to prove a point. A lot of these coins are garbage. A lot of these coins won't last. Out of the 8,200 coins that are listed on CoinMarketCap today, savvy analysts and even people like Brad Garlinghouse have said 99% of coins will not exist once there is the regulatory clarity that either suggests that they were ICOs, in which case the company might have to fold because of steep fines that they may incur, or once we get the clarity, we might find out that a lot of these coins will be deemed securities, in which case, bye-bye. Most of these coins will be delisted. You think that this XRP scare was bad? Well, if you guys are invested in coins, just be sure you know what you're invested in, because the rug could be pulled out from under you, and it could happen sooner rather than later. This is why I'm bringing this up, because we have never been ever so close to cryptocurrency clarity, and the SEC lawsuit, I think, has just proved that to us. Think about this for a second. So this from Crypto SV. I have a feeling that we will have only one alt season so early this year. Then crypto regulations comes out and the whole market will change, and we will see the right prices for most of the coins. All right, think about it. Right now we're in a bull run. Right now we're seeing everything rise. But let's say there is the cryptocurrency clarity that comes out of the SEC lawsuit, I don't know, just as one example, or maybe some other way. Cryptos like XRP get the clarity. They're deemed in this example as not a security. They are deemed as a currency. But then that law, that would set precedent for all the other cryptocurrencies in the space to either be deemed currencies or securities. And this is what this theory suggests. Many of these coins will be deemed securities. Many of these coins, I think the SEC will suggest, were used in ICOs to fund the company. An ICO, by the way, is an initial coin offering, similar to an IPO in the stock market, if you guys didn't know that. But then this would give us the clarity and abolish a large majority of these coins, which would send that money somewhere, because they would would have to give them the notice, and that money has to go somewhere. It's not just going to disappear from the market. I don't think people are going to just take it out and leave, especially if they're down on their investment. So think about this for a second. Where could that money go? Into the coins that have the utility, into the coins that have the clarity. So certainly Bitcoin, certainly Ethereum, and I think right now we are getting the clarity on XRP. I think it will come out of this lawsuit. And so this is where I'm going with this, guys. How high could XRP go once we get that clarity? And not only the clarity for XRP, but the clarity for the rest of the market. Those funds have got to go somewhere. Right now the market's at 1 trillion, and some are predicting that it is going to go much, much higher. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.